Did you know the Red Wedding from Game of Thrones was based on a real event, and the real version is somehow darker? It happened in 1440 in Edinburgh Castle. The Earl of Douglas, just 16 years old, and his younger brother were invited to dine with King James II of Scotland. James was only 10 years old at the time. The dinner seemed normal, until a black bull's head was placed on the table in front of the guests. In Scotland, that was a death omen. Everyone at the table knew exactly what it meant. The two brothers were dragged from their seats, given a mock trial right there in the courtyard, and executed. The young king reportedly wept and begged for their lives. Nobody listened. It was a political killing dressed up as a dinner party. The king's advisors had arranged the whole thing. James had no real power to stop it. George R.R. Martin read about this event and built one of the most shocking moments in modern fiction around it. Millions felt the horror. Almost none of them knew it actually happened.